Okay guys, so this video is about this mobile holder, and I have been using this for almost more than a month now, and I'm very happy. So I'm going to tell you some of the pros and cons about this. This is a soft material due to which it will not have any kind of scratches on the mobile. So this is very safe and friendly to use with the mobile in compared to the metal mobile holder, where you might get scratches. Second thing, this can also protect the mobile from water or rain to some extent, because it is inside the casing, unlike the metal mobile holder. And third thing, you can dismantle this because it has got clips on the side, so you can just press that clip and you can dismantle it, and you can place it inside your boot space under the seat. Fourth thing about this is the view of this one is good in terms of where it is placed. So since it is in the center of the Scooty, it is more easy to look at the display while riding the Scooty. So if you are using a metal one, it might be on the sides, or it will not be in the center in most of the cases, right? So that way this is more convenient. While driving, you can just look at it as it is in the center. And fifth is it is more budget friendly compared to the uh, metal one, right? Those are little expensive than this. And as you can see, the view is decent enough. So on my back side, it's a bright sunny day, and it is an open sky and a white building, due to which you are getting some reflection. Otherwise, if I just tilt it like this, so you can see it has a very decent view. And if I talk about the disadvantage of this, since this is an elastic material, if you leave it in the sunlight in the hot weather, this will get damaged, it will become loose. And the view that you get in this is not crisp and clear like the metal one, because it has some plastic kind of material under which the mobile is placed. So the reflection, as you can see, you can see some reflection. But if you have the metal one, since you directly see the screen, there is no covering on the screen on the metal mobile holder, so that is more better in terms of view and the clarity of it. And just to show you how exactly you can dismantle it, so this is a clip here, and on the other side also there is a clip. So using this, you can remove this and you can place it inside the boot space. And whenever you want to use it, you're going to a place where you want to see the route, you can use this. Otherwise, you can just leave it in the boot space. Thanks for watching, and hope this video is helpful to you in buying this product. I purchased this product from Flipkart, and I paid somewhere around 250 rupees. Thank you. Have a great day.